Okay, here's our stateroom tour. So we're in 10545, which is a inside cabin. Hello, Gemma.
Hello.
So this is probably the narrowest part. Obviously, is the door in here, and you got some wardrobes be here. Then inside this one, you have Z-Life jackets, so adult ones and children's ones. And have you seen how many coat hangers we have? We have an abundance of them. Then we got this laundry bag, got the safe there, a little bit of shelving there too, so that's a nice size there. And then another wardrobe with some more hangers there. And then on the left, as soon as you come in, caution, watch your step. Also put your key to the world in there to put the electric on, and the temperature gauge is up there too. So you come into the bathroom, it's a little step, full size mirror. That's pretty good. You can come up here and go, hi, love, just check my ears. Yes, my ears are fine. Okay, right, let's go in here. It's got a nice little mirror here with a bit of a shaving mirror as well. Oh, you got a makeup flannel. That's cool. There's some more flannels there. Body lotion and some sea salt. So ours isn't putting out that good. So we're gonna have to ask him about that. Love these Mickey towels with the cruise line logo on there. Little thing of telling you how to wash your hands properly. A nice little shelf there. Some more towels. So these are the actual bath towels there. We have a bath and shower and toilet in one. Some of these rooms are separate as well, but we've got this one. So you've got the toilet there, all your toilet thingy-majiggies. You've got this nice curtains, like all rope Mickeys there, that's cool. And then obviously the shower, the proper shower curtain there as well. It's quite a good size shower really. It's like, it's not a big bath, but we're not really going to have much of a bath. It's mainly for bathing children really. But yeah, and then that then is the clothesline, so you bring it across there. But there are actually two, look. That's really cool. That's good, I love that. We got some clothes pegs as well, so we can peg them up. And then you got all this sea salt ones. These were H2O plus ones. Oh, that logo's upside down. Oh, that's funny. But yeah, nice little handrail there as well to help you in and out. And the bath mat there then as well. Also, the shaving port is up on the ceiling. If you need to charge your electric toothbrush or your razor or something like that. And also under here you got more towels. You've got a little vomit bag. Haven't seen these before. I might take that away just like I did on Mission Space, just for the lols. And you got the bin there then, and underneath the sink. So that is the bathroom. Watch your step. I almost tripped coming out. Close that door. And this is a light for the, that's the light switch for the bathroom. And then we come in. Gemma is on one of the settee, well, the settee in the room, yeah, which is also turns into a bed. Yes. It does. Yeah, so you can turn that down, but there's only the two of us, unless we're fighting. Then
we'll ask the stateroom host to.
Yeah, and you can be on the bed. No, I meant the sofa. There. We got this nice little coffee table there, bit of artwork there. What do you see? Our name. So Gemma still hasn't reverted over yet, but we're not married yet. So, no. But we have changed your thing ready for Florida. This, I love this. I'm gonna keep this bag because it's got Disney Cruise Line on there, definitely. So we bought this as an inboard gift. So we got this here and then the bathrobes over there. But back to the tour. So you got these 4 glasses here. And little dust covers there. These are on there to stop it like falling off. I love these, the light, but there you got the little Mickey logos on there too. That's really cool. Nice big mirror. Now this is your European socket, and you've got 2 American sockets there. So this is mainly for your hair dryer there. It's also got 2 USBs, which is really good to know on that one. And we have this here. Don't know what that switch is for, but that's happy days. Oh wait, is it for that one? No, no idea what that switch is for. Then this switch, again, I don't know what that's for. That's for that one there. So we'll switch that back on there. Happy days. Then you got a load of drawers here. So this one has the hairdryer and the curling and straightener heat mat there as well. And then you've got 2 empty drawers down here. Then this drawer is the good one because you've got these postcards which you can take home. You have this pen which you can take home, and this paper, an envelope. You could take all that home with you. You've got this then, which is some information all about the ship here. But then underneath the postcards, you have your breakfast room service little menus here. So you need to put these out by 3 a.m. there. So we might try that one day. Nice little chair there too. Then this is where the fridge is. Ta-da! Nice little fridge. Well, it's a cooler. Mainly, so we need to get the wine in there.
We do.
All right. And then a TV, like Gemma said, our names are up on there. So we've moved it at the moment, but it plays lots of different things on there. 2 more shelves there. Then the bed. It's a really nice big size bed. Lots of space underneath as well to put your suitcases so they're out of the way. There's the telephone on the side, and you've also got the drawer there. And on this side then, you do have 1 European, let me just zoom in over there, 1 European and 1 American socket there. No USB plugs on that one. And again, another drawer. Now, 2 things here. So one, we've got this magic porthole because it's an inside cabin. So that is a view of the aft of the ship. So what we're seeing from behind now. Every now and then there will be some magic happening on this. So a little character will pop up and things like that. And the other thing is these here, these little lantern covers. So you got these different Disney ships here, look. That's really cool. So you got Disneyland Paris there, you've got Disney World, you've got Disneyland Anaheim. Oh, and I can't quite get round by there, but there should be more around the side. But you've got these ships here. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 ships. And you've got this artwork of the 4 original Disney ships, the Magic, the Wonder, the Dream, and the Fantasy. So these 2 are sister ships, and these 2 are sister ships. So, and you can see the different little images on here, look, which is quite cool. Really like that. Maybe, oh, hello, I can see reflection. Gemma, hi, hello. Yeah, I might want to try and get maybe that one, or maybe the one with the wish on. But yeah, so with this inside porthole now then, so you flip one of these switches, that's it, that one. So you flip that switch there, and it turns it off. So when it's at night, you just turn that off, and it's quite literally just a television. So I've just switched it back on, but it hasn't come up on, so I might have messed it up. There you go. And then finally, we just have this here too. Oh, it's back on. This curtain, it's a bit of a privacy, but it's because it's just us, we might as well just leave it there. But no, thoughts on the room? Beautiful. You gonna cry? Almost.
I'm in a bit of
a daze at the moment. I'm not quite landed, I don't think, yet on it. But
I don't think I'm really here at the minute.
You are, because you're like so emotional with it, all the things.
Yes.
But happy days. Oh, I forgot to point out as well. These little hooks here just to hang some things on, and all these walls are magnetic as well, or well, they're metal, so you can put magnets on them. And we've got some hooks to put on there, so I can put my hats and things like that, and some ears and our lounge flies when they're empty out on there. But there you go. That is the room. Happy days.